After 1 minute of market open, sell call generated red color candle open. Daily in live market, it will generate calls like a signal. Today it's April 15 Monday market Bank Nifty 1 minute chart. In this 1 minute chart after 1 minute 9:16 am, sell call generated at 48,335. That straight white line from red candle. That is our entry point line. Below lines are first target, second target line. Above line is the stop loss line. So daily in live market, you will get these signals like where to take the entry, target and stop loss. Through these entries and target stop loss, you can do the manual trade as well as auto trading also possible by connecting your broker account to this chart. For more plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Today the sell call came at 48,335. First target is 48,214. After a 2 candle in 2 minutes of market momentum, it successfully break out the first target range. Like this today call generated and break out the target. 48,000 put option, it's a weekly expiry and out of the money option chart. At 139, this buy call started and market breakout all the way to the 200 and continuous bearish momentum. Like this, you can change script and watch also. For chart detail, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.